Today, we're diving into some incredible new leaks that every Samsung fan will want to hear about. Yes, we're talking about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its much anticipated software, One UI 7.0. These revelations give us a sneak peek at what Samsung has in store for 2025, and trust me, it's worth getting hyped about. Alright, let's get started with the leaks. Samsung has done it again, pushing the boundaries of smartphone design. Recent leaks have revealed high-quality images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, showcasing a refined premium look. While Samsung's Ultra models have always been eye-catching, this time, they're leaning towards practicality without sacrificing elegance. The leaked images highlight the phone's bottom half, where we see the familiar setup, a USB-C port, a speaker grille, and the iconic S Pen slot in its usual lower left position. The S Pen remains a defining feature of the Ultra lineup, and it's great to see that Samsung hasn't tampered with its placement. One of the biggest changes, however, is the shift to rounded edges. Samsung seems to have heard user feedback about the sharp corners on earlier Ultra models being uncomfortable for one-handed use. This new design not only enhances the phone's ergonomics, but also gives it a sleek, modern appearance. Another interesting aspect is the flat display carried over from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While curved screens have their fans, the flat design offers better durability and usability, which many users appreciate. Let's talk about the engine under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This beast of a processor is expected to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra one of the fastest smartphones on the market. Whether you're into gaming, multitasking, or heavy-duty performance, this chipset promises to deliver unmatched speed and efficiency. For those wondering about battery life, rumors suggest Samsung is working on optimizing power efficiency with this processor, so we can expect a solid performance even with intensive usage. Now, onto the software side. One UI 7.0, Samsung's latest interface based on Android 15. Leaked screenshots give us an early glimpse of the user interface, and it looks like Samsung has polished the design while adding practical features to improve usability. One UI 7.0 is set to debut with the Galaxy S25 series, and Samsung has confirmed that a beta program will be rolling out shortly after the device's launch. For those with older Galaxy devices, the stable update should follow soon after. From what we've seen, the focus seems to be on streamlined navigation, enhanced customization options, and better integration of AI features. There's also buzz around improved widgets and multitasking capabilities, which are sure to please power users. As with any major design change, opinions are pouring in. The rounded edges seem to be a divisive topic. Some fans love the more comfortable feel, while others miss the bold look of the sharp corners. Personally, I think this new design strikes the right balance between comfort and aesthetics. It aligns well with the rest of the Galaxy S25 lineup, including the standard S25 and the S25 Plus, creating a cohesive family of devices. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just another smartphone. It's a statement of how Samsung continues to innovate. With its improved design, powerful hardware, and advanced software, it's clear that Samsung is aiming to set a new standard in the smartphone market. So what excites you the most? Is it the sleek new design, the promise of Snapdragon 8 Elite performance, or the refined One UI 7.0 features? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you've enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy.